Hi, monkey lovers. Did you know that a monkey is actually a motorbike? But before we continue to support this channel by pressing the subscribe and like buttons. And don't forget to activate the bell button and share with all your loved ones. Please do it if you love your country. A motorcycle production company in Japan continues to make improvements. Not long ago, Honda officially released its new motorbike. This motorbike, which is continuously being upgraded, is called a Primate, with a classic sport model, but a mini version. The Honda Monkey has attracted the attention of Honda motorbike lovers, especially fans of classic and mini motorbikes. What do you think? Please write in the comments column with the name of your country.